What's up, everybody? Today I'm going over the octave chord with you. If you haven't heard of it before, you will know it at the end of this video. The octave chord is just what it says, the octave notes played together. So let's go over that. In case you didn't already know it, this will also help you find notes on your fretboard by using this thing we call the octave method. Only this time it's going to be called the octave chord. The octave method is finding the same note in another spot on your neck using the 2/2 down or 3/2 down method. Here's what it is. Here's the A note on the E string. 2 frets over and 2 strings down yields the same note. They're both A's. But I want to play these together, and I don't want this 5th string getting in the way because, man, I don't want the D in there at all. So I'm going to take this first finger laid over to the string, and I'm going to lightly press over and glide over this 5th string and then get to my 4th string with the 3rd finger. But I'm going to be muting the 5th string with my first finger like this. You don't really hear it. So now when I squeeze the 6 and the 4, I get... You don't hear that 5th string. When you whack them all at once as a chord, you're not going to hear it at all. You'll hear the strength of the 2 notes. 2 A's harmonizing together. The same thing goes for the A string. The D note. D. 2 over, 2 down, same thing. Mute the 4. I'm playing 5, mute the 4. Play 5 and 3, you got more. This is my favorite place to play it because it cuts like a knife. Now, moving down or up, the 4th string, we got to go 3 over, 2 down to get the same note. Same thing, I'm going to mute the 3rd string because I'm playing 4 and 2, so the 3 I'm going to hang over it. And that's pretty much where we keep to these chords. However, technically you can go one more to 3 and 1. I don't hear it that often. I don't know that you will. I'm sure it's somewhere. Some band's finding a way to use it. You might hear it somewhere in a song, you know. But it has no snot, so I stay away from it, and probably a lot of metal bands might if they're looking for the big sound. That sound that'll rattle your walls, you're not going to get it down here. But rock bands will use this one. And then there's this one again. And we have the king. Folks, that is the octave chord. It's pretty simple. It's just the same note played twice while you mute the string in between. On the 6 and 5, it's 2 over, 2 down to get the same note. When you're on the 3rd and 4th string or the 3rd, it's 3 over, 2 down, and you got the same letter. Works all over the guitar. You use this to find the notes of your guitar, so when you want to memorize the fretboard, if you find 1, technically you can find 2. And then if you found this one, you can octave off that one to the 3rd one, and you can find 3 of the same letter by using the octave method, folks. It helps you learn the board. It's another way to use the method to find, oh my gosh. It is another way to find the notes on your fretboard so you're not stuck going like this, scratching your head, and building a bald spot right there with that finger like this. Where's those notes? Gee, I don't know where they are. Now you know where every single note is. It's another way to find them. 2 over, 2 down, 3 over, 2 down. You can't go wrong. Guys, start learning your octave notes and blast out on these octave method chords and get them into your music. You'll hear them in all sorts of songs you're already hearing. You probably have heard it before and you didn't know, but now you know what it is. I'll see you in the next video.